Good morning, dear students. Let us start today's class with an example. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here A is subset of B. B is the bigger set, A is the smaller set. Now what is A union B? A union B means all the elements of A and all the elements of B. The common element we have to write once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These are common. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. Then additional elements of B 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to B. And A intersection B equal to A intersection B means common elements you have to find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are common elements. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. So equal to A. So here A is subset of B. A is the smaller set, B is the bigger set. In that case, A union B equal to A union B equal to the bigger set B, and A intersection B is equal to A intersection B is equal to the smaller set A. So now this is now an important note. If A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to the bigger set B, and A intersection B is equal to the smaller set A. If A is subset of B, their union will be the bigger set, their intersection will be the smaller set. I have drawn Venn diagrams also. A is a subset of B, their union will be the whole set B, and their intersection, the common part, will be the smaller set A. Union is the bigger set B, the common part, intersection, is the smaller set A. Now, going to another definition, disjoint sets. Two sets A and B will be disjoint if they have no element in common. That is, if A intersection B equal to 5. Two sets will be disjoint if they have no element in common. I have drawn Venn diagram. You can see A set, B set, nothing is common between them. So A and B are disjoint sets. Next, let us move to another definition, difference of sets. The difference of the sets A and B in that order, that is first A then B. Difference of the sets A and B in that order is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B. Which belongs to A but not to B. Let us explain this with an example, but before that I want to say difference of A and B is symbolically written as A minus B. A minus B. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and B equal to 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. A and B are two given sets. I have written A minus B, A set, and then B set. Now how to find? First, A minus B means we have to write elements of the first set A. We have to write elements of this set. But first we have to remove the common elements, the elements which are present in both the sets. You can see 2, I have marked 2. These are common elements. 2 is in first set as well as in second set. Similarly, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5 are the common elements. So first we have to remove 2, 4, 5 from this set, and the remaining elements is 1, 3, 6, 7, which is A minus B. A minus B means the elements of A, removing the common elements which are also in B. Okay. Similarly, I find B minus A. I have found B minus A. B minus A equal to, first I have written the elements of B, then elements of A. Then from B minus A means we have to write elements of B, elements of first set. But Before writing, we have to remove the common elements from this, which are also present in this set. We have to remove from this set. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. These are common elements. So we have to remove 2, 4, 5 from this. The remaining elements is B minus. This B minus. A minus B means we have to write elements of A. The first set, elements of A, we have to write, removing the common elements. B minus A means we have to write the elements of B, removing the common elements. You can see A minus B is 1, 3, 6, 7. B minus A is 9, 10, 11. Clearly, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now, this is Venn diagram of A minus B. Suppose this is the set A, this is the set B, and this is common part. This set, this is common part. A intersection B, this is common part. From A, if we remove the common part, the elements which are also in B, which are present in both A and B, if we remove this part, we will be left with A minus B. This is A minus B. This is a set A. From A, what we have removed? The common part. Common part I have removed, and the remaining is A minus B. Similarly, you can see this is the set B, this is the set A. From B, I have removed the common part. This is the common part, common to both A and B. From B, I have removed this part, and the remaining part is B minus A minus B, and B minus A. You have to remember this definition: A minus B equal to all such elements X where X is in A but not in B, because if X is also present in B, we have to remove that from B. So X, A minus B equal to all such element X which are in A but not in B, which are in A but not in B. X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. You can see A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B equal to 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. A minus B equal to all such elements, 1, 3, 6, 7, which are, A minus B means elements of A which are not in B. These are not present in B, because the common elements I have removed, the remaining elements are here. So A minus B equal to all such element X where X belongs to A but X does not belong to B. It's an important definition you have to remember. Now in figure you can see this is A minus B and this is B minus A. And what is common between them? A minus B and B minus A? Nothing is common. You can see the shaded part, A minus B, B minus A. Nothing is common between them. And this part is A intersection B. This part is A minus B, this part is B minus A, and this is A intersection B. What is common between these three sets, these three parts? You can see A minus B, B minus A minus B are disjoint sets. They are disjoint sets. They have nothing in common. I draw another Venn diagram. This part is A minus B, this part is B minus, and this part is A intersection B. Nothing is common between these three. Nothing is common between these three. And therefore, they are disjoint sets. And what is the union? What is the union of these three sets? The union of these three sets are A minus B, union A intersection B, union B minus A is equal to this whole set, which is A union B, which is A union B, which is A union B. Okay. Next, I've taken a question from NCERT book. A equal to AB, B equal to ABC. Is A subset of B? What is A union B? Clearly, AB, ABC, smaller set, bigger set, all the elements of A are also in B. A is a subset of B. Yes, A is a subset of B. And we already know if A is a subset of B, if A is a subset of B, then their union is the bigger set, intersection is the smaller set. So we can easily answer here A is subset of B, their union will be the bigger set. B. I have taken another example NCRT book. If A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, P equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, C equal to 11, 13, 15, and D equal to 15, 16. Find A intersection B, A intersection C intersection D, A intersection B union C, A intersection B union D, A intersection B intersection B union C. First, A union B, the elements which are common to both A and B. I have written A, then B. Between them, I have put intersection sign. The common elements are 7 and 11. A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. We have to find the elements which are common to these three sets. And you can see nothing is common in these three sets. 3, 5, 7 and 11, 11, 13, 15, 15, 17, nothing is common. So answer is 5. Next, A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. First we have to find B union C. B union C equal to, this is B, this is C. B union C equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. We have to write elements of B and then the elements of C. Common element we have to write once. And then intersection. We have to find the common elements of these two sets, 7, 9, 11. Next, A intersection B union D. A intersection B union D. First we have to find B union D and then the elements which are common to A. That is, you have to find the common elements of these two sets, which is 7, 9, 11. Another question, number 5, A intersection B union intersection B union C. First we have to find A intersection B, which is 7 and 11. A equal to this, B equal to this. A intersection B is 7 and 11, common element. You can see here also A intersection B is 7 and 11. So I have written A intersection B equal to 7 and 11. B union C equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And their intersection, the common elements between these two sets is 7, 9, 11. Another question from NCRT book. If A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this, D equal to this, find A minus B. A minus B. I have written A set minus B set. First we have to find the elements which are common to both the sets. 12. 12. So A minus B means we have to write elements of this set removing the common element. Common element we have to remove. So I have removed 12 from this set. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. This is A minus B. Next, A minus D. This is the set A, this is the set D. Again, to find A minus D, we have to find, first we have to find the common elements, the elements which are common to both the sets. 15 is the common element which is also here. So you have to remove 15 from here. The answer is 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 20. A minus D means we have to write elements of the set A, removing the common elements. जो दोनों में है उसको रिमूव करना है. C minus D. Similarly, C, D. First, we have to find the common element. 10 is the common element. I have removed 10 from this set. This is C minus D. Such questions are given in the NCRT book. Try to solve all the questions. Next, are the following pairs of sets disjoint? Disjoint set means they have no element in common. Two sets A and B will be disjoint if they have nothing in common. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to X. X is a natural number and X lies between 4 and 6. You can see A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to X. X is a natural number lying between 4 and 6, both including. So B equal to 4, 5, 6. A intersection B equal to, there is a common element 4. So as there is a common element in A and B, so A and B are not disjoint. Next, second example, A equal to X. X is an even integer. B equal to X. X is an odd integer, even integer, odd integer. So I've written a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Even integer. What I missed, actually I have not added the negative integers 0, -2, -4, etc., etc. also will be included here, and similarly -1, -3, -5, -7 also will be included in this set. Even integers, odd integers, and nothing is common. Even an odd integer, so nothing is common in these two sets. So a intersection b is 5, and therefore a minus b are disjoint. Next, x equal to abcd, y equal to fbdg. Find x minus y minus x intersection y. X minus y is the set x, is the set y. X minus y means we have to write elements of this set, removing the common elements. So I have removed b and d, ac. AC is the answer. Similarly, we have to find y minus x also, y minus x. We have to write y minus x means we have to write elements of y, removing the common elements. B, D are the common elements. I have removed B and D. The answer is F and G. And x intersection y means the common elements, the elements which are common to both x and y. So B and D are the common elements, x intersection. I marked this by star, this question by star. Now, what is common to x minus y minus x intersection y? What is the common element? Nothing is common, you can see. X minus y minus x intersection y are disjoint sets. We already got, you can see, a minus b minus a intersection b. These are disjoint sets. These three are disjoint sets. Here also you can see x minus y minus x, AC, FG, BD. Nothing is common between these three sets. So they are disjoint sets. And what is their union? Union of this set, and this set. The answer will be union of this three set is A union B. A union B. So here the answer will be X. Union of this three set will be equal to, let me write, x minus y union x intersection y union y minus x is equal to x union y. And these three are also disjoint sets. Nothing is common in these three sets. Next, R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? R is the set of real numbers, Q is the set of rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? Real number means rational plus irrational numbers. Rational plus irrational numbers. Let me write set of real numbers. Real numbers can be divided into two parts. Real numbers, rational, irrational. From set of real numbers, if we remove set of rational numbers, from set of real numbers, if we remove set of rational numbers, we will be left with set of irrational numbers. So answer is set of irrational numbers. So answer is set of irrational numbers. So this is disjoint sets, difference of two sets, union and intersection of sets. Again go through the exercise, read all what is given in the examples, and then try to solve the questions given in the NCERT book. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.